Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on plus 1 big friends formula, okay? That is plus 10 minus 9. We are going to solve the B row in the class. A row is going to be your homework, okay? Let us start. First question, 3. Added 3. Plus 6. Added 6. Now, plus 1. See, why there was a need to bring small friends? Like big friends. Why was there a need to bring it? Because we already had small friends, right? What was the need to create big friends also, even if we had small friends? The thing is, now in this situation, I have to add 1. We already have formula for 1 of small friends, that is plus 5 minus 4. But can we do plus 5 here? No, right? So we needed a different formula to come out of situation like these also. So that's why we created big friends. Now how can we come out of this situation? By applying the formula of 1, that is plus 10 minus 9. So you have to check accordingly where are you supposed to apply which formula, small friends or big friends, okay? Now we added 1. How? We did plus 10 and minus 9. See, till 3 plus 6 we got 9. We were supposed to add 1. We can't do small friends clearly. So for big friends, what do we do? Plus 10 minus 9. Okay. Then plus 1 again. My answer is 11. Okay. That means wherever I am stuck in doing 1 and I can't do small friends, I will do big friends. Both of the, you know, boxes should tick. First box, that I don't have beats. Second box, I can't do small friends. Next, 3. Again 3. I cannot add 3. I don't have enough beats. So formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. Then again 3. Now 1. Do I have enough beats for 1? No. Can I do small friends of 1? No. Because small friends of 1 says plus 5 minus 4. 5 is already added. So what will I do? Big friends of 1, that is plus 10 minus 9. My answer is 10. Next question. 4, added 4, 5, then 1. Again, I don't have enough beats for 1 and no small friends. So, plus 10 minus 9. Then plus 3. My answer is 13. Okay. Next question. 5 plus 4 plus 1. Do I have enough beats for 1 now? No, right? And no small friends. So, formula of plus 1 is plus 10 minus 9. Then plus 5. My answer is 15. Next, you will find some questions in which there will be just one formula. You will find questions where there is going to be n number of formulas, okay? So, every question varies. Next is plus 6, then plus 3, plus 1. Do I have enough beats for 1? No. And I can't do small friends as well. So, formula of 1 is plus 10 minus 9. Then plus 7. My answer is 17. My answer is 17. Okay, I hope it was clear, guys. Okay, if you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comments and finish your aero in homework and drop the answers in the comments. Bye bye.